Ferrari Purosangue is an anticipated addition to the world of luxury sports SUVs, marking Ferrari's entry into this highly competitive market. In this comprehensive 10,000-word description, we will delve into every aspect of the Ferrari Purosangue, from its development and design to its performance and the expectations surrounding its release. By the end of this overview, you will have a deep understanding of what makes the Ferrari Purosangue a remarkable and eagerly awaited vehicle. The Ferrari Purosangue is the Italian luxury automaker's first foray into the SUV market, a move that has generated excitement and curiosity among car enthusiasts and luxury SUV aficionados worldwide. The name, Purosangue, translates to Thoroughbred in Italian, emphasizing Ferrari's commitment to delivering a vehicle that embodies the brand's storied heritage of performance and luxury. Ferrari is renowned for its powerful sports cars and high-performance vehicles, and the Purosangue aims to bring that same level of excellence and excitement to the SUV category. While Ferrari has been initially hesitant to produce an SUV, the market demand and the success of other luxury SUVs have prompted the company to venture into this segment. In this comprehensive overview, we will explore the Ferrari Purosangue from its inception to its anticipated release. The development of the Ferrari Purosangue is a significant milestone in the history of the iconic automaker. Ferrari, a company known for its dedication to producing high-performance sports cars, spent years deliberating and researching before confirming its entry into the SUV market. Here's a closer look at the development and genesis of the Purosangue. Market research. Ferrari, known for its meticulous approach to innovation, conducted extensive market research to understand the demands and expectations of potential SUV buyers. The decision to develop the Purosangue was based on a careful analysis of the luxury SUV market. Ferrari DNA. One of the key challenges Ferrari faced was how to create an SUV while preserving the brand's DNA of performance, design, and exclusivity. The company was determined to ensure that the Purosangue would be unmistakably a Ferrari. First prototype. Ferrari's journey into the SUV realm began with the development of a prototype. It was a crucial step in experimenting with design elements and performance features that would later define the Purosangue. Dedicated platform. Unlike some luxury SUVs that share platforms with existing models, Ferrari opted to develop a dedicated platform for the Purosangue. This choice allowed for tailored performance characteristics and design freedom. Innovation. Ferrari aimed to incorporate innovative technologies in the Purosangue to maintain its position as a technological leader in the automotive industry. This includes advancements in aerodynamics, materials, and powertrain technology. Extensive testing. The development of the Purosangue involved extensive testing, including both on-road and off-road scenarios. Ferrari's engineers worked to ensure that the SUV could meet the brand's performance and quality standards. Environmental considerations. Ferrari has also committed to making the Purosangue eco-friendly by incorporating hybrid technology and possibly even a fully electric version in the future. The development process of the Ferrari Purosangue reflects the company's dedication to perfection and its desire to offer a luxury SUV that meets the high expectations of Ferrari enthusiasts and newcomers alike. The design of the Ferrari Purosangue is a harmonious blend of Ferrari's distinctive styling cues and the practicality expected in an SUV. While the design details are not fully revealed as of my last knowledge update in September 2021, we can anticipate certain elements based on Ferrari's design language and market trends. Sleek and dynamic silhouette. Expect the Purosangue to have a sleek and dynamic silhouette, characteristic of Ferrari vehicles. The design will likely emphasize aerodynamics and performance. Aggressive front end. Ferrari's signature aggressive front end with a bold grille, sharp headlights, and the iconic prancing horse logo is expected to be a focal point. Sculpted body. The body of the Purosangue is anticipated to feature sculpted lines and curves, emphasizing both aesthetics and aerodynamic efficiency. Four-door configuration. Unlike Ferrari's sports cars, the Purosangue is expected to have a four-door configuration for practicality and ease of access. Large wheels. To maintain the performance character, large alloy wheels with low-profile tires are likely to be a prominent feature. Elevated ground clearance. Given its SUV nature, the Purosangue is expected to offer higher ground clearance suitable for urban and light off-road use. Tailored exterior options. Ferrari is known for offering extensive customization options, so buyers will likely have the opportunity to personalize the exterior with various color choices and additional styling features. Attention to detail. Ferrari is renowned for its meticulous attention to detail, so expect the Purosangue's exterior to be the result of careful craftsmanship and high-quality materials. Ferrari's design philosophy will undoubtedly shine through in the Purosangue, making it a head-turner on the road and a distinctive addition to the luxury SUV segment. Interior elegance and features. The interior of the Ferrari Purosangue is expected to combine the brand's tradition of luxury and performance with the practicality and comfort that SUV buyers demand. While detailed information on the interior is limited, we can anticipate certain features and design elements. Premium materials. Ferrari is known for using premium materials in its vehicles, and the Purosangue is expected to feature high-quality leather, carbon fiber, and other luxurious materials throughout the cabin. Seating comfort. The Purosangue will likely offer comfortable and supportive seats for both front and rear passengers. Expect a range of customization options for upholstery and seat design. Innovative technology. Ferrari has been incorporating advanced technology in its recent models. The Purosangue is expected to feature a modern infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and connectivity options. Spacious cabin. SUVs are designed with spacious cabins, and the Purosangue will be no exception. Passengers should enjoy ample legroom and headroom. Cargo capacity. Ferrari recognizes the practicality requirements of SUV buyers. The Purosangue will likely offer a decent cargo capacity for luggage and other belongings. Customization options. Ferrari is expected to offer extensive customization options for the interior, allowing buyers to personalize the cabin according to their preferences. Driver-centric features. Ferrari vehicles are known for being driver-centric, and the Purosangue is likely to include features that enhance the driving experience. The interior of the Purosangue will undoubtedly be a blend of Italian craftsmanship, luxury, and technology, providing a comfortable and elegant environment for both driver and passengers. The heart of any Ferrari is its performance, and the Purosangue is no exception. While specific performance details are not fully disclosed, we can make educated speculations based on Ferrari's legacy and the direction of the luxury SUV market. Engine options. Ferrari is likely to offer a range of powerful engine options, including V8 and V12 power plants. These engines will provide ample horsepower and torque for exhilarating acceleration. All-wheel drive. The Purosangue is expected to feature an advanced all-wheel drive system to ensure optimal traction in various driving conditions. Acceleration. With the combination of potent engines and advanced drivetrain technology, the Purosangue is anticipated to deliver impressive acceleration, reaching high speeds in a matter of seconds. Dynamic driving modes. Ferrari is known for offering various driving modes that allow the driver to customize the vehicle's performance characteristics. These modes will likely include options for enhanced performance and comfort. Precise handling. Expect the Purosangue to feature precise and responsive handling, staying true to Ferrari's reputation for producing vehicles that excel in the corners. Off-road capability. While not designed for extreme off-roading, the Purosangue is expected to handle light off-road situations with ease, making it a versatile luxury SUV. Hybrid technology. Ferrari is committed to incorporating hybrid technology into its vehicles for improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The Purosangue may offer hybrid powertrain options. The performance of the Ferrari Purosangue will undoubtedly be a key selling point, catering to buyers who desire both the power and agility associated with the Ferrari brand. Ferrari is known for its technological innovation, and the Purosangue is expected to be no exception. Advanced technology will be integrated into various aspects of the vehicle to enhance performance, comfort, and safety. Aerodynamics. Ferrari's expertise in aerodynamics will likely result in advanced features such as active aero elements that adjust for optimal downforce and reduced drag at high speeds. Infotainment system. The Purosangue will feature a modern infotainment system with a touchscreen interface, navigation, smartphone connectivity, and premium audio options. Driver assistance. Ferrari is expected to include advanced driver assistance systems to enhance safety and convenience. This may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and more. Connectivity. The Purosangue is likely to offer advanced connectivity features, including over-the-air updates for software and firmware, ensuring the vehicle remains up to date with the latest technology. Instrument cluster. The digital instrument cluster will provide the driver with essential information and may be customizable to display relevant performance data. Hybrid technology. As mentioned earlier, Ferrari is moving toward hybrid technology, and the Purosangue is expected to incorporate hybrid systems to improve efficiency and performance. Ferrari's dedication to innovation will be evident in the Purosangue's advanced technology features, which are aimed at improving the overall driving experience and keeping the brand at the forefront of the automotive industry. Competition and market position. The luxury sports SUV segment is highly competitive, with several renowned automakers offering their own interpretations of high-performance SUVs. The Ferrari Purosangue will enter this market with high expectations and strong competition. Here are some of the key competitors and how the Purosangue is expected to position itself. The Lamborghini Urus is often considered a direct competitor to the Purosangue. It boasts impressive performance and the Lamborghini brand's distinctive styling. The Porsche Cayenne has set the standard for sports SUVs for years. The Cayenne Turbo offers exceptional performance and a reputation for precision engineering. Bentley's Bentayga is a luxury SUV that combines performance with opulence. It appeals to buyers seeking both speed and high-end comfort. Aston Martin's DBX is another newcomer to the luxury SUV market. It offers a blend of British luxury and sports car performance. Maserati's Levante is known for its Italian design and sporty character, making it a rival in the performance SUV category. The Ferrari Purosangue is expected to differentiate itself through the brand's distinctive Ferrari DNA, superior performance, and Italian craftsmanship. While these competitors offer their own unique advantages, Ferrari enthusiasts and luxury SUV buyers will be drawn to the Purosangue's unparalleled heritage and performance potential. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Ferrari had not officially revealed the price or release date for the Purosangue. Pricing for Ferrari vehicles typically falls into the high-end luxury and performance category. Given its positioning as a luxury sports SUV, the Purosangue is expected to have a price range that competes with other high-performance SUVs in the market. Ferrari has traditionally offered customization options, allowing buyers to tailor their vehicles to their preferences. These options can significantly impact the final price of the vehicle. The release date of the Purosangue is also subject to speculation, but it was expected to become available in the coming years. It's essential to refer to Ferrari's official channels or trusted automotive news sources for the most up-to-date information on pricing and the release schedule. The Ferrari Purosangue is not just an SUV, it represents a significant step for Ferrari as the brand extends its legendary performance and luxury heritage into a new category. This comprehensive overview has delved into the development, design, performance, and expected positioning of the Purosangue. While specifics were not fully disclosed as of September 2021, the anticipation surrounding the Purosangue's release is a testament to the enduring allure of the Ferrari brand. With its blend of performance, Italian craftsmanship, and advanced technology, the Purosangue is poised to make a profound impact in the luxury sports SUV market. The entry of Ferrari into the SUV segment is a testament to the evolving preferences of luxury car buyers and the need for high-performance vehicles that cater to practicality and versatility without compromising on excitement and elegance. The Purosangue is expected to embody the thoroughbred spirit that has made Ferrari an icon in the automotive world, ensuring that the prancing horse logo continues to captivate hearts and minds.